A dog with lameness issues can really appreciate massages. And it would be nice to always have a trained massage therapist on hand, but if you don't, you can help your pet just by kneading and rubbing the muscles. That will help bring the blood flow to the muscles and it will cause them to relax, which will help to relieve the pain. You can focus the massage on the area that is problematic for the dog, but also remember to massage what we call the support areas. So if your dog is lame in both back legs, they're going to weight shift forward, causing the shoulders to take a lot of the stress. So remember to do the shoulders. The lower back and upper back are also areas that can get very tense when a pet has a lameness. So just massaging those muscles can really help make them feel better. Please hit the like button and subscribe to our channel.